Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Basics with me, and today we will see the characters of a drama, A Midsummer Night's Dream, which was written by William Shakespeare. So here the characters I have divided into pairs or made into pairs in such a way that they are correlated to each other or they have some relation to each other so that it will be easy to you to understand in the drama. So here the first character is Theseus, who was a king of Athens, and here Hippolyta, she was queen of Amazons. They both fought for their realm, and finally king of Athens Theseus conquered over Hippolyta, and finally in the drama they got married at the end of the drama. Now next is Aegeus, who was a citizen of Athens and the father of Hermia. Here the Hermia is also a main character. Here Hermia, daughter of Aegeus, and who also a lover of Lysander. Here both Lysander and Hermia loves each other. Next is Helena and Demetrius. Here Helena loves Demetrius, but in the initial or at the starting of drama Demetrius loves Hermia, but Hermia loves Lysander, and at the end of drama Demetrius loves Helena, and these two also got married at the end of the drama. Now comes Oberon. Here the Oberon is the king of fairies, and here Titania, queen of fairies. They are wife and husband. So in the drama these two also had quarrel over a reason that they wanted a Indian boy. He wanted to line over him and she wanted to line over him so that they can make him what they wanted. And here this is also main character Puke, who is also known by the name Robin Goodfellow. He was a creature with the powers. He can even fly. So he works for Oberon. Whatever Oberon says, he followed that. Now here it is Bottom, a main character in the play. This Bottom with his team. The team consists of here Bottom, Snout, Starveling, Bot, and Queens. This team of 5 persons who were preparing for a play which will be taking place on the day of wedding of Theseus and Hippolyta. So here Bottom, then the name of the play was The Most Lamentable Comedy and the Most Cruel Death of Pyramus and Thisbe. Here these two are the main character. He was a male and this is female. So the Bottom plays the lead role of Pyramus. So here this Bottom also get once transformed in that of an ass by the Puke. Here the Puke in this drama also changed or transformed his head, Bottom's head, into donkey's head. With his team he was preparing for the drama which will be going to take place on the day of wedding of Theseus and Hippolyta. So these were the characters that you are going to see in the drama, and this drama takes place or sets in Athens, which was in England, and here the places change. In this drama places keep on changing. In the drama starts in the city or the court, then it goes to woods also called forest, and then again to city and court. So this story is very interesting, and The story will be available in the next video. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you do like, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please do comment in comment section. Thank you for watching.